beekeeping, one of my favorite things, but it's hard to understand sometimes. So I'm going to start with, what is a nuke? When somebody says to you, I'm going to get a nuke, what that means is that's, excuse me, the nucleus colony of the bees. So that refers to a small beehive where a small community of bees live. So that's a nuke. And the smaller space makes it easier for the bees to control the temperature, to control the humidity of their community. This is vital for rearing their brood. Now, what is brood? It's the eggs, the larvae, or the pupae, which is the little babies. Okay, so that's the future of the beehive. So when somebody talks about a nuke, it's just a little honeybee community. That's all it is, right? I was so confused by this my first year. People are talking about nukes and I didn't want to say, what is a nuke? Because, you know, I'm trying to be a beekeeper and I'm thinking, I have no idea what is a nuke. So I started looking up things so that I can help you know what a nuke is. You have a great day.